Today we'll discuss filters. What is filter? Filter is an electronic circuit which converts AC component into DC component, alternating current to direct current, alternating voltage to direct voltage. And this filter, one of the type is choke input, that is LC filters. And where it is connected, this filter circuit is always connected at the output of rectifier, whether it is full wave rectifier or half wave rectifiers. In this case, LC filter, we required only full wave rectifiers. At the output of full wave rectifiers, inductor is connected in series to the load impedance RL, whereas capacitor is connected in parallel to the load resistance RL. That means LC filter consists of inductor and capacitor, where this inductor is connected in series and capacitor is connected in parallel with the load RL. Now, this output of full wave rectifier consists of AC components as well as DC components. That means we know the impedance of inductor XL equal to 2 pi f into L. That means when AC components have some frequency, suppose it is 100 Hz, that means impedance will be high. जैसे जैसे frequency बढ़ेगा, inductor का impedance high होता है and it blocks the AC components, and only it permits DC because DC में frequency f क्या होगा, 0 होता है. The output of rectifier consists of AC components. The inductor offers high impedance to AC components and it blocks it. The DC component of output permitted by inductor क्यों? Due to zero impedance. For DC components, frequency is 0, that means impedance is 0. And however, some of the AC components crosses the inductor, which will pass through this capacitor. क्यों? कि capacitor offers zero impedance in case of AC components. Their impedance equal to 2 pi FC. जैसे यहाँ जितना ज़्यादा F बढ़ेगा उतना ही ज़्यादा impedance क्या होगा, capacitor का कम होगा. That means if any AC component is coming at this point, it will pass through these capacitors. Then finally, at the output, only will have DC value, that is shown in the graph. This is the finally output of LC rectifiers, where we get only this DC component, slightly variation because we required some of the more filter circuit for getting direct. Like constant, it is never possible with only one filter. We have to connect more than one filters. We'll see what are the advantage of LC filters. Ripple current at output is low. Already you have seen, that is only we are getting direct current. This ripple factor fluctuation is very low in case of LC filter. And what are the disadvantage? It cannot be used with half wave rectifiers. Only we here can use only full wave rectifiers. And second is output वोल्टेज इज लो. यहाँ पर जो वोल्टेज मिलता है लो मिलता है, इट इज नॉट वेरी हाई. एंड सेकेंड इज इट इज मोर बल्की बिकॉज साइज ऑफ इंडक्टर इज वेरी लार्ज. दैट्स वाई दिस सर्किट बिकम्स बल्की. दिस इज रिगार्डिंग LC filters.